Minto, the sleepy mouse. Deep in the heart of a lush green meadow, beneath the roots of an old oak tree, lived a tiny mouse named Minto. Minto was unlike any other mouse in the meadow. While his friends loved to scamper, play, and explore, Minto was always sleepy. No matter what time of day it was, Minto could be found curled up in his cozy little nest, snoring softly. Minto's friends often teased him. "Come on, Minto. You're missing all the fun," squeaked Pip, the lively squirrel. "There's a whole world out here waiting to be discovered." "I will, after a nap," Minto would yawn, pulling his fluffy blanket over his ears. One sunny morning, the meadow buzzed with excitement. A magical butterfly, glowing with golden sparkles, had been spotted near the river. It was said that whoever caught a glimpse of it would be granted one wish. All the animals rushed out to find it. "Come on, Minto," said Bella, the curious bunny. "You can wish for anything. Maybe even a lifetime supply of cheese." Minto yawned, his eyes half closed. "Cheese sounds nice, but sleep sounds better," he murmured, snuggling back into his nest. That day, while the meadow grew quiet with everyone off chasing the butterfly, Minto had the strangest dream. In his dream, the golden butterfly landed on his nose. "Why are you always so sleepy, little mouse?" the butterfly asked in a soft, tinkling voice. Minto blinked, feeling unusually alert in the dream. "I don't know. I just love to sleep. Everything feels so peaceful when I do." The butterfly's wings shimmered. Sometimes, the world outside can be even more magical than dreams. "How about I show you something?" Before Minto could answer, he found himself soaring over the meadow on the butterfly's back. The golden wings glittered as they flew over babbling brooks, fields of wild flowers, and hidden caves sparkling with crystals. Minto's heart raced with excitement. "Wow!" he exclaimed. "This is amazing." The butterfly chuckled. "Imagine how much more you could see if you opened your eyes during the day." When Minto woke up, the dream lingered in his mind. For the first time in ages, he didn't feel like going back to sleep. He peeked out of his nest. The sun was setting, painting the meadow in hues of orange and pink. "Maybe I should take a little stroll," he thought. As he stepped outside, he was greeted by his friends, who were returning from their butterfly hunt. "You missed it, Minto," Pip cried. "It was so beautiful." Bella hopped over. "But it got away before we could make a wish." "What about you? Did you have a good nap?" Minto smiled, feeling a strange new energy. "Actually, I had the most incredible dream. And I think I know what my wish would be." The animals gathered around, curious. "I wish to explore the meadow with all of you," Minto said. "I realized there's so much out here I've been missing." From that day on, Minto was no longer the sleepy mouse. Sure, he still loved his naps, but he also joined his friends in their adventures. Whether it was climbing trees with Pip, hopping through flowers with Bella, or chasing after golden butterflies, Minto discovered that the world outside his nest was just as magical as his dreams. And every night, as he drifted off to sleep, Minto dreamed of the adventures he would have the next day, ready to greet the world with wide eyes and a curious heart.